Guys, welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your source of cryptocurrency and blockchain news aggregated here on YouTube daily. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang. Hello. Yo, boys. We had a great weekend. Here around Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, we're not playing games. We about whole life. We about building warehouses. Holy. And let me tell you, so let's just slow down. Let's slow down. So this is going to be a two-part show. So first part, we're gonna talk about the level that the brothers got to get to, because I've been shown the level and I'm about to show you guys the level. I'm about to show you guys the level that you need to get to stack this warehouse, So first of all, let me just tell you the stories of the day, so you stick around. So first of all, the world's biggest asset manager might come into crypto. If you're into the markets, you know who the fuck I'm talking about, and you know the level of money. You know the level of money. 50 billion, 100 billion? We're talking T-word trillions. Now, Amazon might accept some crypto. So we're going to find out which one that is. And baby, you know what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the rule book. Hold on, let me take a look. We're waiting for the rule book. But man, all of these stories show you what is on the way. And the last story talks about SEC. Luck. You know what we're waiting for. Oh my gosh. SEC approval. And that's going to be part of the last story. But first, we have some house cleaning here with me and the boys. Well, and all of you, if you've watched and you actually did it. Now, bang. First of all, raise a salute. Bang to Ada Bob. That is our Minister of Airdrops. And did you see what he unleashed on us this weekend? Look, I hope you all did I was calling it the Ada Bob kucoin airdrop marathon. Yo, Saturday, all I was doing Saturday, airdrop. This is new to me, so I'm excited. You know, maybe some of you guys are like, yeah, dickhead, we've been doing these for like 2 years now. I just learned about this shit a month ago. So to me, this shit is wild. Like we've been talking about, we got to get the ark ready. We got the tsunami coming. You know, when they get here, you got to have your warehouse filled with goods. Now, Adabob, he dropped the airdrop on us this weekend, kucoin airdrop. Holy smokes, man. I sucked up so many of those airdrops. Actually, I was in such a frenzy after Saturday. I was so happy. Yesterday, I just went out and found a bunch of airdrops and just did them. I was like, fuck all this shit. Yeah. Anything that asked for my Ether wallet, dang, I gave it to him. Now, I'm going to show you why. Now, I'm going to show you look. And so I'm new. My Ether wallet, in other words, my Ether wallet, Shamari's my Ether wallet. Motherfucker, I got like 2-3 coin up in that bitch. Look, I'm going to show you guys, though. Look. Hold on. Let me have a drink for this, because I got to show you. You're going to understand now the level. Here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the level that we're going to. Our game ain't shit. Our game, it ain't shit. Watch this. Let me show you this shit right now while I'm just having a sip. Watch this. Now, I want you to see this, okay? Now, this is, hold on, let me hide it from you a little, because I want to. So, this is Adabob, and I asked him personally if I'm allowed to show you guys this. He gave this to me in private chats on Twitter. I don't know the etiquette of, if someone talks to you privately, if you're supposed to be telling people publicly. So I asked him, and they said, yeah, you can show the people. And what I want to show you is something special. What does your Ether wallet look like? What, 2, 3, 4 coin? Let me show you what one of Adabob's, holy crap, airdrop my Ether wallets look like, okay? Can you guys see this? Let me make sure you see this, because I can't fuck this up. Oh, you see, I didn't even move the camera. Bang. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Watch this shit right here. This is one of his My Ether wallets. So as you can see, that's the value, how many tokens, and that's the ticker symbol, and they're all ERC20s. It's My Ether wallet. Now watch what his Ether wallet looks like. That's page 1. These are screenshots from his phone, okay? There's page 2. There's page 3. You see all these tokens, all these motherfuckers over there. All these, those are the coins in each for each token. Where we at? Page 3. We got 4. I think we got one more left. Yo, this is what a My Ether wallet. Boys, do you understand now? This airdrops. That is what a My Ether wallet. I had no idea. Oh, my game is up now, though, motherfuckers. Oh, my shit is right now. Now I see how my shit's got to go. I see how all you boys, well, I hope all you boys see how shit has got to go. Do you see that? That is one wallet. One wallet. So he was talking to me privately. I was like, gosh, dang, son. Holy, I didn't know shit was that deep. So as you can see here, he's like, oh, that's my first wallet. I've got a few more just as full. Right? I was just like, damn. And so as you can see, I asked him, right? Are those all airdrops? Right? Just like, what the fuck? Dude, is that how shit rolls? Damn, I got to step my game up. Big time, obviously. He was like, yeah, every token in that wallet was an airdrop. So do you see the level, guys, we got to get to now? We have to step our game up. You know, it's like, you're playing basketball and you're playing with Michael Jordan. I guess today we'll call it LeBron James. My day it was Michael Jordan, but the kids love LeBron now. Look, you're playing with LeBron James. You better step your game up, son. Yo, you see the LeBron we have? You better step. Look, every man and woman, whatever, whoever's watching. Yo, this is the level. Let's take one more last look. I counted it. 85 tokens up in this bitch. I didn't count all the individual tokens, but well, I counted each individual token, but I didn't count their values. But look, this is the level. So here we go again. Page 1. Page 2. Oh, page 3, page 4, page 5. I think I counted it. It was sort of like 85 tokens in one wallet. I was like, damn. So, boys, that's the level that I think that I'm going to bring this channel to now. We're not going to be fucking around on these parts. Like, we're talking about stacking a warehouse. That's a stacked warehouse. So, here I am, right? And then there's the warehouse. That's just one warehouse. He's like, I've got multiple warehouses. Let's say each Ethereum wallet is one warehouse. Yo, Adibaba's stacking his goods. Holy, look at these goods. I had no idea that there were all these, and these are all free coins. Yo, these are all free coins. And so, okay, but now let me settle down a little. So so he told me the truth is, he said, okay, sometimes you might not get the coins, right? And then he said about between half of them you don't get, or they become useless. But he's got coins. He's like, yeah. This one coin, it just got listed, so blah, 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 blah. Now it's starting to ride. This coin, he took a few grand out. I'm not going to show you our whole conversation and everything. But I did ask permission to show the My Ether wallet, and that's why I'm showing the My Ether wallet part. He's like, yeah, dude. Dude, his warehouse is stacked. Do you see it? It's not me talking. Oh, my gosh. You see that? So, guys, that's the level we have to get to. So, what are we going to do? How are we going to get to that level, Shamari? So, this is the thing. These airdrops seem to happen all the time. And so I thought this was going to be like, an airdrop every, 2 weeks or something. I didn't know it worked like this at all. So I was going to do a show every time I did an airdrop, right? I was going to be like, here's the airdrop, boys. Go do the airdrop. And so what I'm going to say is this, and you guys already know, Ronkus, Jay Well, Evans Edwins, you guys are already with Ada on his Twitter. So follow that, and because he's going to give us the good ones. Remember, he said only above 5K, 10K coin. He doesn't even fuck with littler shit. I'm not even going to bullshit. You know what I did yesterday? Hold on. Yo, I went on a rampage yesterday. Dude, I went on the internet. I found every airdrop I could and just raped it. I just rocked it. Shouldn't use that word. I just did it. You know what I mean? I did them all. But I'm going to get to, I was just so happy. I had never seen something like that. But now we're going to get to the Adabob level of proper airdrops. So we're going to do 5K, 10K airdrops and more around here. You boys know where to go. Adabob's there. Obviously, everyone use the CB Newswire. Also, Airdropper777. Jay Will, I see you out there banging it out. Wrong, because I think you banged one out. Well, I think a bunch of you guys used it. So use those two names for the little five people thing, whatever. That thing, you know what I'm talking about. And do that. And in terms of, how we're going to keep each other posted on them, just let's everyone just follow Adabob's Twitter, and Adabob will put them there, and we'll get the good ones, right? We don't need to bottom feed and, go get crap. I trust him. He knows what he's doing. Look at the fucking tokens in his shit. And so, obviously, if you see the value there, like you see the value in the token, you see how, so that means he received that airdrop. These are received airdrops, right? I'm sure he did other ones that they fucking were scammers and they didn't give the airdrop, whatever. These are received airdrops. So we're going to follow him. He also gave me a few websites to go to, and I'm going to dig around myself. I'm not just going to be a lazy fuck and just sit around and wait. And what I'm probably going to do is this. I don't know how to do this. What I'll probably do is something like in the comments, just put, token name, blah, 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 and then the airdrop link, and then like that. You know what I mean? And then you go do it if you want. So every one I do, I'm going to put it in the comments for whatever show I did that day or something, right? That's how we're going to do it. I'm not going to tape all of these because they take only 2 seconds. So it's like, I'm not going to do a whole video just for 3 seconds, but we're going to get our game up right. Everyone follow Adabob, and then also follow the comments, and I'm going to drop those down there. And also, if anyone finds any, you guys drop them in the comments as well. For the YouTube videos, just any old video, whatever, but whatever the last video was, right? And then we'll always kind of look back 1 or 2 days to see if anyone dropped something. You know what I mean? We can do it like that, sort of like a messaging board. We'll message each other about the airdrops through the comments of the YouTube videos. And I think that's the best way. And then just keep plugging them out. Oh my gosh. Plug them out. I don't even know how many hundreds of thousands of coins I think I'm supposed to receive eventually. But whatever, man. And so my vibe about this is, look. I got my warehouse full. That's brand name goods. Shit I actually paid for with my own money. My own earnings, my own profits. I took money out of my profits, bought my goods. So my warehouse is stacked. But now we can stack ourselves with all these kind of goods right here. Are they going to be worth anything? Well, if they get on an exchange, sure. Will the thing amount to anything? Who knows? But it's free. Just to go, literally, literally 5 taps of your finger gets you, I don't know. What's he got here? Look at the top line, 300 NGT coin, whatever the fuck that means, right? Tap of the finger. Boop. Followed on Twitter. Boop. Followed on, what was that other thing we did? Telegram. Boop. Liked on this. Boop. Retweeted on that. Boop. Money. So that's what we're going to be doing around these parts. Like I said, I'm not going to do shows about it, but let's comment on each other and just keep each other up to date on the airdrops. And Adabob, obviously, just drop them in the comments and obviously talk to me and stuff too. Please, brother. And that's what we're going to do. So it was the Adabob KuCoin airdrop marathon weekend here in the world. Bang. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. All right. We're ready to get our money. So that's to get our warehouse a little fuller, and we will be doing that. Now, let's get back to the more buy and hodl. A little more hodl life. And what we got around these parts. Bang. Let's do how we usually do. Top 10, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Yields, Litecoin, Stellar, Cardano, IOTA, and Tether. Ooh, look at these little moves today. Look at these little moves. Single digits, but nice to see something in the green once in a while, isn't it? So we got low single digits. And let's check out the rest of the market. That's our top 10. Let's check out the rest. Well, till I go down till 50. Yeah, mid singles. All right. Oh, yeah, market's interesting today. Let's check out our top earners of the day. Top earners of the day. Bang. Who we got? 10x. You see these motherfuckers? I believe in that shit. I got to buy. Well, I'm not telling you what to buy, and I'm not going to shill. But I'm thinking of it. 10x, because what those guys want to do is they want to create a debit card where you'll just have your Litecoin and Ripples and whatever tokens you want on it. And then you can spend it, right? So you just go get your Starbucks coffee. Why would I spend Bitcoin on Starbucks? A couple Ripple, though, right? So you can choose the ones you want to spend, right? Like, you know, Bitcoin moves up and down so much. If you spend $5 on a coffee, it could shoot up. That could have been $25 worth. Ripple ain't moving. I'll spend Ripple for that coffee. So just that's the concept. I'm not shilling. I'm not telling you to go buy it. But that's the concept, and ever since I got into this stuff, I watched 10x. Just to watch them. I don't own any, but thinking about it. So anyways, bang, 50% up today for 10x. MCO, bang, 18%. And then we got Elastos, Dogecoin, Pundy BitShares, Basic Attention. Always Basic Attention's in here. Wax Enigma and Gifto. Now. All right. So that's that good stuff. But now let's get to the real money, though. So we've learned how to build our warehouse a little bit bigger. Like we said, those coins, they ain't shit. Well, now they're not. But you never know. Remember, Ripple started as an airdrop. So we're just going to get all those airdrops. Are you going to get rich off of them? Maybe not off of one, but it's like a net. Look at his net. Holy shit. The one, my Ethereum wallet, had 85 different tokens in it. You're telling me out of those 85, maybe 2 don't rock it? 2 don't get you somewhere? Just for some tweets? I'm telling you, it's a big old net. But here, we're going to get back to brand name business. You know what I mean? We're going to get a little brand name business now. Bang. In your spare time, you stack the warehouse. And then with the airdrops, you never know. You never know what someone might want. And then you stack, though. Don't get it twisted, guys. You got to break some bread and get that brand name, because when Wall Street comes, I mean, they're obviously going to be gobbling up all the brand name first. Like, let's get real about what's going to go down around those parts, right? So get that brand name up and keep padding. Keep padding with the airdrops. And when these guys get here, hold on, let me take another look. Boys, let me take another look. Oh, yeah. Oh, and you don't even know the stories I have today. Because boy, oh boy, boys. Holy. Here they come. And I'm going to start right now. Bang. Now, if you're not an investor, you probably don't know what the fuck that means. Those 2 words at the front, BlackRock. Oh, my gosh. Look. all I can tell you is, all right, let's just get into this because I'm not going to explain this shit. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is exploring cryptocurrencies. Like, if you're in the markets, you know, these are savages. Oh, first of all, if you're new here, my name's Shamari. I'm an investor. That's all I do. That's all I know how to do, really. Now, since I haven't had a resume for 18 years, that's all I can do. So go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name, SHOMARI, up in the search. You'll see my old trades. You'll see my goods. You'll see you're talking to an actual investor. I haven't worked for 18 years. Well, I work, but my money works for me, right? So, I mean, I still have to figure out what I want to buy and everything. But that's who you're talking to, a real investor, not just some guy who goes to his job and then comes back and he's trying to tell you about crypto. We're looking at this here in cryptocurrency blockchain news from the investor standpoint. That's what's going down around here, investor standpoint, okay? All the little, you believe in fiat or you don't believe in fiat, you believe that this stuff is going to change the world and all that, that's fine. That's not what you're going to get here. Around these parts, me and my crew, we're about the straight cash, homie. No bullshit. Straight hodl life. Fuck you, wife. I'm about that hodl life. Straight cash, homie. And that's why you saw how we did those airdrops. You heard me talk about for about 15 minutes there about airdrops. That's how we roll. We're hard forking. We're long hodling. Shit. We got the Michael Jordan, Minister of Airdrops, giving us the bread daily. So that's how we roll around these parts. Now, this is a good story because the world's largest asset manager exploring cryptocurrencies. You understand? The world's largest. Not America's largest, not the European one, not Asia's largest, or Russia's largest bank. No fuck. No people. What? The world's planet Earth, this little planet as we hurtle through space. Well, there's one company and they run things big. And here they come. So let's listen and learn. 6 months. A lot of schizo. Not with me, but remember the South Koreans, they banned everything, and then what happened? They unleashed their whales on us. And these guys, so BlackRock, they were all like, screw your flipping little cryptocurrencies. Oh, they're changing their tune now, aren't they? Look, these greedy, look. Like I said, I'm an investor. I've been trading against these Wall Street guys for 18 years, okay? They are greedy. Like, if they can find a penny, they will kill you for that, okay? They want every penny, every dollar, every little bit of money. And so when they see their boys are coming in, they can't resist. They're not going to let that dude make more money than them. So when that guy goes in, they're jumping in. That's the mentality of these people. Like, they're just savages, just money savages. And they chase one thing, profits. Or, if you want to get technical about it, ROR, rate of return. And on the stock market, the rate of return is 9%. Well, my bad. On the stock market, the rate of return is about 5-6%. If you have a good trader trading your money for you. If you have a guy, he makes 9% on his trades for the year, that's what's called a star investor. Oh, he's a star investor on Wall Street. For 9% returns? In the Forex market, we make hundreds of percent returns. Yeah, but that's how they sucker people into buying stocks. Because that keeps your country up and blah, blah, blah. So, blah, blah, blah. You got to keep the populace buying stocks. Crypto world? What were the rate of returns last year? Thousands of percentages. What do you think? Do you think they don't know that? Yo, those creatures, oh my gosh, they will murder their own mother for a 9% return. They're seeing thousands of percent returns on investment. That's what I'm saying, guys. Get ready when they get here. And so let's just get to the story, because I actually have a story about you, or not about you, but about these savages getting here. Well, this one's one of them right here. So 6 months after its chief executive lambasted Bitcoin as an index of money laundering, BlackCoin, the world's largest exchange-traded fund provider, has set up a working group to explore how to profit from the burgeoning. Do you see how they are? They see people in here making money. They're like, oh, hell no. They set up a posse of dudes. Tell us how to make that loot. The Financial News reports that the 6.3 trillion. I want you to get that fucking shit through your head. We've been talking about these whales and these hedge funds. Yeah. Oh, and they're huge. $50 billion hedge funds, $100 billion hedge funds coming. Look. This is a $6.3 trillion asset manager. Do you understand trillion? Trillion? It's even hard to get their head around, right? Oh my gosh. But it's not okay. So has begun discussing whether to invest in Bitcoin futures, and is also exploring other ways to gain exposure to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The task force will also examine how its competitors are investing in the cryptocurrency industry and whether the ventures present a threat to BlackRock's market share. Of course they do. You think BlackRock's going to let everyone else just get all this bread and suck in their market share? Oh, hell no. They're going to be in this space. Hard. They're the world's largest. 6.3, let me remind you, trillion. That's what's coming to our market, boys. Do you understand? Trillion. Right? When I talk about $50 billion, $100 billion hedge funds, I know you guys a lot of you guys are probably just worker guys. You guys go to work in that. You're not in the markets like me. It's real. There are guys. Do you know that there are guys every single day with a little office, but do you know what? And a bunch of computer screens, and they control like $50 billion worth of money. Like one guy, his secretary, and then his assistant. That's how shit rolls. And those are the small ones. I mean, obviously, this is a multi-conglomerate. So, other asset managers, including investment banking giant Goldman Sachs. Now, I know you probably don't know about BlackRock. You got to be in the world like I'm in. But you know about Goldman Sachs. Oh, you know about Goldman Sachs. Right? Other asset managers, including investment banking giant Goldman Sachs, are setting up Bitcoin trading desks. Not are planning to set up, not are thinking about setting up, but are setting up trading desks, okay, to provide clients with access to the nascent asset class. So Goldman Sachs is coming in. A BlackRock spokesman quoted in the report is stating that the firm has been looking at blockchain technology for several years. Yep. And here they come. Here they bumbleclot come, guys. So why do that story? Well, because it's the biggest asset manager in the world. The world. I mean, I was talking about whales and hedge funds. I mean, that's enough. What we're waiting for, the tsunami we're already waiting for, guys, that's already enough. You're going to be rich. Like, it was enough just to know that the Soros fund was going to come, or what's that? Blah, blah, blah capital was going to come. Yo, BlackRock. That takes things to a whole other level, boys. I mean, there's hedge funds, and then there's... All right? So that's number one. Now, Amazon. Is Amazon going to accept Bitcoin? Here's what the tech giant is up to. Now, and then I bring up this story for mass adoption. It's about mass adoption. Man, I want that little old lady buying her whatever they buy with her Ethereum on Amazon. You know what I mean? I want that dude over there to buy his weight set on Amazon with ripples, whatever, any of them, all of them. That's what we all want. And so let's go. Is Amazon on the verge of accepting Bitcoin? Well, let's see what the tech giant is up to. One of the most popular places for gathering news and intel on cryptocurrency is buzzing over a new rumor: Amazon interest in accepting Bitcoin. The rumor shot to the front page of the R cryptocurrency subreddit, citing an anonymous software engineer at the tech giant who said Amazon has discussed accepting Bitcoin multiple times, and that the main sticking point is how the company would deal with returns and issuing refunds since Bitcoin price is subject to extreme volatility. Makes complete sense, right? I buy a $50 gizmo off of Amazon with Bitcoin. Well, I paid so and so Bitcoin. Maybe they have to refund my Bitcoin, but that Bitcoin is worth now, I don't know, 5 times as much. Interesting, right? I find it interesting. These little things they have to think about. And that's what the mass adoption part comes in, right? Because that's what Starbucks was complaining about. Like, they were saying, by the time they sell someone the coffee, it might be, the price is something completely different. Although Amazon has been tight-lipped on its interest in crypto and blockchain, the company's made a number of moves in the space in recent months. Now, that's why we got to watch these guys. That's why we have a news show. That's why we have cryptocurrency blockchain news. Hold on, let's check out our shit again. All right? That's why we have the news show, because we have to keep our eyes on them. Bang. Right? We got to keep our eyes on them here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News and keep our money right. So, the Amazon subsidiary, Amazon Technologies, Inc., recently won a patent for a streaming data marketplace that would allow users to view crypto transactions data in real time. Why would you have a marketplace to view something in real time like that, Amazon, unless you're planning on doing something? Amazon also bought 3 cryptocurrency-related domains late last year: AmazonEthereum.com, AmazonCryptocurrency.com, and AmazonCryptocurrencies.com. It appears Amazon already owns AmazonBitcoin.com, which currently redirects straight to Amazon.com. In addition to its web domain purchases, the company has also jumped headfirst into the business of offering blockchain solutions through Amazon Web Services and AWS blockchain templates. Finally, on the subject of whether Amazon will create its own coin, the truth is, it already has. I didn't know. Amazon created the little-known virtual currency Amazon Coin back in 2013. It's not based on blockchain technology, and it appears that it never caught on, obviously. According to Amazon, the coins are designed to let customers purchase eligible apps, games, and digital in-app items on Android phones, BlackBerry devices, and Fire tablets. Bang. So, guys, mass adoption. That's what that story is about. Mass adoption. Why you Amazon? Why you grabbing all those domains like that, bro? All sneaky like that. You know what I mean? All sneaky. And it's true. I get it. I understand. If they can figure out the volatility, right? How to do something about the volatility and prices of a product, right? Like, right? Because I get it from their angle. They can lose money, but they can also win money, right? But you got to figure that out. The prices are so volatile. If you buy a whatever from Android or Amazon, what do I buy from Amazon? What do I usually buy? All right, like this little, I have this, it's like a thing with all these knobs to make the sound go, right? I bought that, right? I buy it at, I don't know, $500 in Bitcoin. Well, tomorrow, the Bitcoins might be down, so they only got $200 worth of Bitcoin. Do you see what I'm saying? Or the next day, Bitcoin might go up. So really, I paid $700 worth for this. So that's what they have to figure out. But the fact that they're trying to figure it out, mass adoption. Mass adoption, and that is Amazon. Now, you know about me. I'm all about regulation, because that's all that matters. It's the politicians and the regulators. You give me the rule book. You show me how to trade. Well, not how to trade, but what to trade, how I can do it. I'm going to go get that bread. So here we go, boys. Coinbase. Bang. Coinbase. Look, dudes, this is such a good story. Coinbase said it has received the green light. The green light. Holy, Coinbase is moving so fast. Remember a couple of weeks ago they tricked us? They were like, oh yeah, we're applying for custodianship. And then boom, they just had it. Like, what? And then they were like, even like, actually, we have 10 customers already. Like, what? Coinbase, they're back there. They're doing sneaky. You know what they're doing? I know what they're doing. I see what they're doing. They want to be the premier marketplace for crypto in America. And they're not telling anybody what they're doing. They're just going back there. They're just doing their things behind the scenes. Buying companies, getting certified, all this stuff. Watch. I mean, let's read this right now. Because you saw it, guys. Remember that? What was that, 3-4 weeks ago? Coinbase. Yeah, we're applying for our license the next week. Right, I read that on Friday, right? It was Monday. They were like, oh, yeah. Actually, we do have custodianship. Oh, yeah, and by the way, we already have 10 clients, hedge funds. Like, what? Damn. You see? Coinbase is going to be the vanguard of the onslaught. So let's read, guys. Let us read and enjoy this piece right here. Coinbase Inc., one of the most popular cryptocurrencies platforms, said it got the green light from U.S. watchdogs to move forward with a trio of acquisitions that will allow it to become the first what? The first what? The first federally regulated. Federally regulated. What are these boys waiting for? What are all these whales? Oh my gosh. We know what they're waiting for. What? Two things, right? Custodianship. Coinbase already solved that shit. And we remember when we read the stories, there's like, what did they say? What did they say? That there was basically a horde of people trying to be custodians. Custodianship solved. Check that box. Done. Now we're waiting for the last piece. SEC approval. SEC approval. Give us the rule book. Well, give them the rule book because we're allowed to buy whatever now. But give those big bad boys the rule book. Bang. Once things are federally regulated, take a look down at the page. Take a look at the page. Once they are federally regulated, in other words, these boys know that if someone messes with my money, I have someone to sue. I can go to this and this and recover my funds, all this kind of stuff. Damn. So, they want to become the first federally regulated venue for trading digital coins, deemed to be, and that's the thing, deemed to be securities. That's right. That's what the importance of this is. Right. Remember how we were Ripple and Ripple got those lawsuits last week, a couple weeks ago, because people are complaining. No. You're a security, bro. You're a security because you guys own, what was it, like 500 billion Ripples? So that's a security. And so, and all these companies, Cardano, Monero, name it. I don't care whatever one you want to call, IOTA, whatever. They're going to be regulated as a security, right? And that was the problem because there aren't any exchanges or guys that can offer securities of cryptocurrency. Coinbase is like, yo, we're going to get regulated. We'll be giving it. So now. Hold on, man. The hell's going on around these parts? Yo, now. Who? You know the guys are waiting for. Only one set of boys we're waiting for, boys. You and I, crew, posse and crew. We're waiting for one set of boys, and that's these fuckers right here. The United States, the U.S. Man, you really want to make me do this? Well, two boys actually. Bang. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission and FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Bang. That's what we've been waiting for, to drop the rule book so everyone can get unleashed. Now, what does it say? The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, approved. What does it say here? Bang. Approved Coinbase's purchase of Keystone Capital Corp, Venovate, and Digital Wealth. Remember, we talked about them? Well, now it's approved. Like, they had tried to buy it, remember? And they got the Digital Wealth thing. Were in trouble because they played with their people's money or something like that, right? Whatever. They are now approved by the SEC and FINRA today. It's real now. Like, it's approval. Doesn't matter if you're a security. Doesn't matter if you're a commodity. Coinbase is allowed to unleash on you now. Well, sorry, that's not the way to say it. Is allowed to offer all the manner of tokens they want. Now, the acquisitions enable the firm to offer so-called security tokens and also place the businesses under federal oversight. Federal oversight. Now, all these institutional investors, they want to come in. You think they're afraid? If I got $50 billion, man, I want to put my $50 billion in a federally regulated, oversighted place. Now they got one called Coinbase, boys. Not hopefully, approved. Here it comes, guys. Here it fucking comes. I mean, Coinbase is just one company. Holy. But federally approved. You understand? Like, man, I know. I'm imagining the people I talk to. I don't know who you are that watches this. I don't know what you do for a living and everything. I'm an investor. I've been in the investment world for 20 years. I know I keep saying it, but it's because I want you to know. Well, plus I want you to know that you're actually talking to someone who makes his money make money. And so better than some guy who's living in his mother's basement. But look, I understand all this stuff. I've been in it for 20 years. SEC approval, FINRA, that's it. Those are the regulators. Those are the cops on the beat. And they say, Coinbase, bang, bang, you are now approved. All these rich guys want, all these whales want, they wanted only two things: federal regulation and custodianship. Yo, we had the custodianship. That was a couple weeks ago. Now they have a federally approved, federally regulated place to start putting their money. Now it's not over yet. There's still more, and we're going to read more because it's just the beginnings. So let's not get too excited. It's not going to be like next week. Just the tsunami's not hitting next week. Holy, though. There's not much holding it back, though. There's not much holding this son of a bitch back right now. I mean, here we go. So let's read. Now, the move provides Coinbase licenses to operate as a broker-dealer, an alternative trading system, and a registered investment advisor. Those are like different things of the Wall Street world. You got to get these different approvals. The San Francisco-based company said in June, alternative trading systems operate outside traditional public stock exchanges. That's the thing. You're not allowed, all these other platforms are operating outside. Yo, whales, buddy, they're not trying to be outside. They want federally regulated entities, and now they have one. So let's wrap this up. Regulated trading platforms could eventually handle billions of dollars in token sales, well, for ICOs. And Coinbase isn't the only runner in the race. Of course not. You think Coinbase competitors are just going to let them make all the money? One of its competitors, Circle Internet Financial Limited, said last month that it intends to pursue registration as a brokerage and trading venue with the SEC. So we're going to help investors buy and sell tokens deemed to be securities. Remember, this is a securities thing. Two classifications. You're either a security, which is like a stock. Well, look. Security means stock. So when you hear me say the word securities, if you're not a financial person, it means stock. Okay? So you can either be classified as a stock or a commodity. The SEC, so a commodity is like gold, silver, diamonds, whatever. A stock is like a Microsoft stock, Ford, Amazon, whatever. So if you're as a commodity, it's way easier because you're just like gold or silver. In other words, you're not owned by anything. The SEC already said Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, I think it was Ethereum, not securities. So in other words, not stocks. They're going to be treated as commodities. Now, everyone was all upset. Oh my gosh, we're going to be treated as securities, as stocks. And that's just how it's going to go down. As far as me and you go, who gives a shit if they're... I don't give a shit if you're classified as a stock, as long as I can buy and sell it easily. But what these big boys care about, they do care about those classifications. It's not about buying and selling. It's about, can I hold it? And can I, is there someone on the beat, if someone messes with me, that I can sue someone and get my stuff back? And that's what just happened. So intends to pursue registration as a broker and trading venue with the SEC so it can help investors buy and sell tokens deemed to be securities. The firm also plans to seek a federal banking license. You see what they're doing? You see what's happening? You notice that word federal? That's what matters. SEC, federal. FINRA, federal. Blah, blah, blah. Your little exchange might be legal in, I don't know, Wyoming. No. Federal. That's when the big money comes. Once Uncle Sam himself is watching over their money, that's when they're going to come in and drive up the prices. Drive up the prices of your warehouse. Drive it up. So the next step for Coinbase is integrating the technology into the new subsidiaries, the spokesman said, without providing a timeline. That means making sure employees have the proper licenses and blah, 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 blah. All right, we're not going to get into that. In other words, they just bought all those companies, but it's going to take a few months for them to actually make it together. Come on, Shamari. Let's talk precisely. It's going to take some time, just what it said, to integrate the technologies amongst the different entities that they just bought to create one company called Coinbase, or to integrate them into the Coinbase umbrella. And that's going to take a few months. And so while this is amazing news, it's going to take a few months. So pad those holdings. Get that warehouse right. So in other words, Coinbase has been approved, but like I said, they have to still integrate the different technologies from the different subsidiaries that they just bought. In other words, to incorporate under the Coinbase name and have a one working system. That's going to take a couple months. So there's still a couple months. Since they're the first ones, we know that we have a couple months waiting before these guys get here, because they can't get here until Coinbase has finished their work, giving them a place to go with the money, right? So the whales are waiting, but they have to wait till Coinbase does it. And so we still have a little time. Well, I guess that is the show. And I hope you understand that. Bang. Big money coming in. BlackRock. Bang. Amazon. Maybe taking Bitcoin. Mass adoption. And bang. Coinbase coming through. Not just coming through. Have been green-lighted. Have been. Right? What does it say right there? What is there? Bang. Approved. Hold on. Let's see. We don't even need all that. Just the word. Bang. Here we go, guys. We've been watching this stuff, around these parts. That's how we do. We watch stuff and bang, here it comes, guys. So, get that money right. Get that money good because here it comes. It's no joke. That is approval. Approval has occurred. Not applying for like they tricked us a few weeks ago. Has approved. Has approved. So, guys, that's our show. Let's do our market cap again. Let's do a quick refresh. Take a quick peek. Anytime. Bang. Oh, a little more up. Man, this is just a good day. Good day. FINRA approvals, SEC approvals, BlackRock money coming in, Amazon doing stuff, and bang, green markets. And especially in a great weekend, the Adabob KuCoin airdrop marathon we did. Bang. So, guys, yeah, that's it. Thanks for coming. This has been Shamari. This has been Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Now, oh yeah, I got to say all this stuff too. I'm so happy. All right, but I got to say this stuff. Where do I say it at? Right here. So, guys, if you're new, wait, I got to do it from here. Wait. From here, right. So, guys, subscribe below. Look, guys, if you want to make money with me and my crew, you got to subscribe, press that bell, get with Adabob, get in the comments, get in here talking. Guys, we're a friendly bunch. Let's make some money. We're about whole life around these parts. You know what I mean? Our slogan is shut up, wife. I'm about that whole life. Until those whales come, I don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear shit. Okay? I'm about whole life. Okay? And that's what's going around on these parts. Me and my boys, we make money. We made mad money this weekend, and we're going to make mad money again. So always come out here. Always hang with us, talk with us, learn from us. And, we keep you updated on your bread, your money. And so, again, shill it one more time. Subscribe below. And thanks for coming out to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. So subscribe below. This has been Shamari. Adabob. One more salute for you, brother. Bang. All right, this has been Shamari. Hodl life. Over and out.